Good evening, YouTube. Financial Freedom with Velvet here. Came out here to make a quick video about an app that I've used in the past and I'm currently still using. I just logged back in today and noticed I have a couple of referrals. And I want to thank those of you that have been subscribed to my channel, that have actually signed up with my referral link. And the app we're going to talk about today is actually called Feature Points. Now, if you are new to my channel, I'd like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get updates whenever I make a video. And stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to talk to you about an opportunity you guys can be earning daily cash on if you know how to share a simple phone number, okay? So let's get into the app. It's called Feature Points, and Feature Points has been updated lately and they have a website. So I've downloaded the app, installed it, and as you can see here, it says here that my referral status, 8 people have used your referral link. So those of you that have signed up under me under Feature Points, thank you so much for doing so. I appreciate it. It says points, I've earned 2,067 points for my referrals. 50% of that is all referral points, and I can earn unlimited points. So what I'm going to do here so I'm going to copy my referral link and I'm going to leave it in the description below. And if you guys want to join, you can click on that link. It'll take you to the app. And when you guys sign up, you'll be joining under me and you can take it from there. I'm going to show you guys a couple things you can do on this site and some things that they've updated on here. They've changed. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the home page of Feature Points here. So up here, you can share your own custom video. You can earn 50% of what your friends make if you get referrals. Right now here you see Tap Research. As you guys know, Tap Research is a great survey. You get disqualification points. I believe it's up to 3 points on here. And there's Polefish, and there's Panoland. It's a new one. Or Painland, I don't know how you say it. It looks like it says Panoland. This is a new one right here. A few questions about your job. 20-minute survey. You can download these and just do what it says. Some of these you just download and install it and run it for a couple of minutes. Most of these you have to do a little bit of extra work, okay? So as you can see down here, you can watch videos for 1 point. And down here we get cash back. So those of you who shop and whatnot. And we can view more offers. See, you have things like you can sign up for Hulu, you get 5,616 points. Postmates, 2 books, you get 4,680 points. You pay only $1 for shipping and handling. And these are how many points you guys get, okay? These are how many points you get just for doing this one. I have done the I Can Read plenty of times, and it's really good if you have kids who are just learning how to read. If you guys want to buy coffee, Amara Coffee, I've done this several times. This is great coffee. It's only $1. Get 2 books for free. That's $1. There's a lot of things on here you guys can do. You know, most of this is easy stuff, you guys. $1. Pay $1 and you get a ton of points. Now, I'm gonna let you know right now, if you do this and it's not worth your points, I wouldn't sign up for it, okay? Like this right here, it says, rewards after you register, install the client, and confirm your email. There's some on here that you can just do. Fill your valid information and confirm to earn your reward. Confirm your email to... See, 500. These are not hard, you guys. Most of these are easy, okay? And also, when you want to do info submits, make sure you clear your browsing history when you're done before you do a new one, because you don't want to, it will track you. You just don't want. You want to make sure you're clearing your history. So when you enter a new one, it's like you're entering a new one. Okay, so this is Inbox Dollars, and I know. I'll make a video on the Inbox Dollars. This is a great app website to go on because you can get paid $30 for when you You can cash out $30 on this site, and they send you a check. So Inbox Dollars, I want you guys to check that out. It's a great website. Trust me, I've cashed out on it plenty of times. I will be making a video on that shortly as well. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we went over what's on the home page. We're going to get into the rewards. Okay, so here's all the rewards you can get with Feature Points. You know, you have Amazon, you have Google Play, PlayStation, Starbucks, you know, all these gift cards here. But I like the PayPal Cash, okay? So we're going to go through this. For 3,000 points, you get $5. For 6,000 points, you get $10. For 15,000 points, you get $25. For 30,000 points, you get $50. For 60,000 points, you get $100. For 120,000 points, you get $200. For 300,000 points, you can get $500. And if you get up to 600,000 points, you can get $1,000. You can get up to this just on referrals alone, you guys. Just on referrals alone. Okay? I'm going to go for the $5 PayPal. This does pay because I was cashing out at $1. Okay? So I was only cashing out at $1. But now that they've done this and changed it, 3,000 points for $5 is not a lot, not hard to get to. If you're doing, you know, what I tell you to do. Okay? So my advice, you guys can do whatever you want on this site, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the tap research, and I'm going to do the watching the videos. 1 point every time. Each contest token is 1 point. So 10 videos, that's 10 cents, okay? And this is tap research. Tap research is awesome. And this is every day. I come on here every day and do it, okay? So if you guys want to join, I'm going to leave the referral link in the description box below. And we're going to go over here, take you guys to my, hold on, you guys. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Sorry, I'm taking you guys to my I'm gonna go to my website, Financial Freedom with Velvet.com. Okay? So we're going to go to my website, financialfreedomwithvelvet.com. And the opportunity I was referring to when I said if you guys want to learn how to get paid to share a simple phone number, it's Abundance Network. For those of you who have never heard of Abundance Network before, it is an SMS text message marketing platform where you can get paid to share a simple phone number. They pay you out, PayPal, Stripe, however you want to get paid. You get $100, 100% commission, you know, and $100 to your PayPal account or Cash App or however you want to get paid. $100 a day, multiple times a day. Anytime someone dials your phone number, they listen to the overview and they complete the steps and they create their account and they pay their one. It's $150 to come in one time, but it's worth it, you guys, because you can be earning $100 a day, multiple times a day with this simple system. Okay, this is the first ever automated phone system opportunity ever, and when it first launched, it made over 5,000 people money. 5,000 people made money with the system when it first launched, when it was in beta testing. It's only been out for 2 months, but it's back up and running. It was down for a minute, but it's back up and running, and it is going hard. So if you guys are interested in learning want to learn how to share a simple phone number, I want you to call the number below, or you can visit this website and create your account and go ahead and set it up and then pay your $150 to come in and start earning those $100 commissions today.